for standard tuning, yung lowest string natin, called 6th string, dapat nasa E, ang 5th ay A, ang 4th ay D, ang 3rd ay G, ang 2nd ay B, 1st string is E. To differentiate ito, since parehas E siya, we call it low E, and then this one high E. So 6th E, 5th A, 4th D, 3rd G, 2nd B, 1st E. So para malaman kung nasa standard tuning na tayo again, from the lowest string, that's E, A, D, G, B, E, we can use a built-in tuner. Mga latest na guitars meron na, or you can download free tuners sa App Store. But for this example, we're gonna use a clip-on tuner. So let's start E, A, so mababa, so higpitan natin. There. Then D, and then G. In this case, lumagpas siya dun sa indicator light natin sa gitna na in tune. So pag lumagpas, tuluwagan natin. Okay. Then second string is B. Higpitan natin ng konti. And then last string is E. Ayan. So again, for standard tuning, that's E, A, D, G, B, E.